Hello everybody, today we're gonna be playing Build Ball.
Why's your voice like that?
I don't know, bro. I don't like using my voice on my YouTube video. It's weird.
You just did.
But do I launch?
Yeah?
I don't even care if I use my voice anymore. I believe I can fly. Damn it, your thing's weighing us down. Is that a military base?
Wait.
What is that?
Oh.
This thing is weighing us down. It's a fucking military base.
At least it has protection.
Yeah, from people going in their things but not flying. If you're flying, then you can. What the hell is that?
What?
Damn it, your thing, it's crashing. Why'd you put that there? Well, I think I might have to stop flying. Oh my god.
I mean, it has collision off, so.
Well, it's still colliding with blocks.
Imagine we get famous from this.
I doubt we will. So. Wait,
Yeah.
if collision's off, then that means it can't go into blocks.
Yes, it can. Look. Bam. That's destroyed. Bam. Bam. But I need my own YouTube channel.
You can't.
No, this is my mom's account.
Yeah, you can still post. So it's technically already on.
Yeah, but then the money goes into my mom's account. I want my own money.
Well, if it's your money, just ask your mom, can I get more money, you know? Just ask her to turn it into change from the bank. And now you probably got like $10 from me subscribing on, I guess.
No, I think it's only it only gives you money if you have like 1,000 likes or subscribers.
Damn. I'm so sad.
See, look, told you.
This might actually not make it through. Because look at part of the roof. Part of it's broken. Somebody fought. How was that?
Man, I hate this level.
Yeah, no, don't worry. What the hell is that? Mustard? Yes, mustard and ketchup.
It's the rule and that's the rule. I don't know why I said that.
Girl.
Well, I think my seat broke.
It's going to a different seat.
No, it didn't break.
There's like 4 there. Oh yeah. I was just saying those 4 there, even though it's really easy to tell.
Well, you're activating fire, poison, acid, whatever that is.
Yeah, I'm activating everything I can think of.
No, the potions.
Yeah, no. Just activating them.
Haha, you missed that one.
Well, I'm not missing anything else. This boat is gonna be destroyed by the time we get to the end. Oh crap. No. We're gonna be stuck in an infinite loop. I don't wanna go in there. Wait a minute. It's shut. We're safe. Damn it.
Why'd you have to jinx it? Hey, be thankful. We're not taking any damage.
Now we are.
Wait, what? Oh.
It's just me, by the way. Yay, we're going up. We're going up from this terrible place and we
Please
won't
help me,
even
I'm
make it.
underwater.
We are not making it to the end. Listening. Once we get to the end, but once we get 2 victories, I'm probably end it. Oh, we can do another one on Sab.
Okay.
Something else, Squirrel Garden Sab or something else.
Yeah, let's. I have made a YouTube video on my mom's account that's trading Red Fox, but I have better stuff to trade.
We got corrupted Kitsune.
But that's because my uncle gave it to me, and also he also gave you one for some reason. Even though he thinks you're sketchy, because one time he did join us for my private server when you did steal from someone.
I didn't.
No,
I just said. I just felt like pretending to steal. Yeah.
No, he saw the message.
No, I didn't steal from him.
And also, we're gonna be dead.
No, no, we're fine. We got this. We're gonna make it to the end. Always trust people. You should. Never mind. You're cooked.
No.
Well, I should have placed a portal on there.
Oh crap! Yeah, you're right.
I could have just teleported back. I'm coming.
But I can make something that has lots of protection.
You don't need protection. If we got something flying, it's fine. I might just end it here, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here, bro.